Want to become a globally recognized project manager? Then PMP certification might be your next big career move. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explain what PMP certification is, eligibility, exam cost, structure, and career benefits. PMP stands for Project Management Professional, the world's leading project management certification. It is administered by the Project Management Institute, a global non-profit professional organization based in the United States. PMP is one of the most recognized project management certifications worldwide, transcending industries and borders. To qualify, you need a mix of educational background and professional project management experience. If you have a 4-year degree, you'll need 36 months of unique, non-overlapping professional project management experience. This experience must demonstrate that you have led and directed projects, not just participated in them. Additionally, you must complete 35 contact hours of formal project management education. The exam covers 3 domains. First is people, focusing on leading teams in a multi-generational workforce. Second is process, which tests your knowledge of predictive, agile, and hybrid project management approaches. Third is business environment, highlighting the connection between projects and organizational strategy. For PMI members, the exam fee is $405. Membership often pays for itself through this discount. If you choose not to become a member, the exam fee is $555. The benefits are massive. Certified PMPs report a significant increase in their median salary compared to those without it. It also opens doors to senior roles and more prestigious project opportunities across all sectors. Whether you are in IT, construction, or healthcare, the PMP is a universal mark of project management excellence. Ready to start? The first step is to visit the PMI website and create your account to begin the application process. Plan for at least 2 to 3 months of dedicated study using the PMBOK guide and practice exams. For more tech insights and project management tips, head over to AndroIndian.com, your hub for modern technology training. We specialize in Android, Kotlin, and AI tools to help you stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Good luck with your PMP journey. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.